Hello there everyone and welcome to Stafford Railway Station, and to kick things off we see the arrival of 221129 arriving 5 minutes late with the 1703 cross-country service from Bristol Temple Meads through to Manchester Piccadilly. Next train out to depart is 350-123 with the 1709 London Northwestern Railway service from Crewe through to Birmingham New Street. Next passing through the station 7 minutes late is 66617, working OK50 from Towton North Yard to Crewe Basford Hall. Running 129 minutes late and rather unusually on the fast line is 66161, working 4 Lima 56 from Trafford Park Euro Terminal through to London Gateway. And arriving in the background is 350-107, running 5 minutes late with the 1711 London Northwestern Railway service from Birmingham New Street to Liverpool Lime Street. Next up, passing 82 minutes late is 390-123, working the 1 Mike 13 for Avanti West Coast from Glasgow Central through to London Euston. Passing through the station 21 minutes late is 66768, working 4 Mike 22 from Felixstowe South through to Trafford Park Euro Terminal. Passing on the fast line running 25 minutes late is 390-122, working 1 Mike 14 for Avanti West Coast from Glasgow Central through to London Euston. Next train out to depart is 221102 and 221108. We're departing, where are you? There you are, 8 minutes late with the 1714 Avanti West Coast service from Holyhead through to London Euston. Next up to pass through the station will be 390-104. Depart running, oh god almighty, 47 minutes late, working 1 Alpha 58 from Liverpool Lime Street through to London Euston. Next passing through the station will be 325011 and 325002, working 1 Mike 27 from Shieldmuir Mail Terminal through to Wilston PRDC. And an overlapping freight train of the unit now is 17007, passing 221124, running 16 minutes late with 4 Mike 61 from Southampton MCT to Trafford Park, and 8 minutes late with 1721 cross-country service from Manchester Piccadilly through to Bournemouth, respectively. Next train out to depart is 350-404 and 350-244, working the 1732 London Northwestern Railway service from Crewe through to Liverpool Lime at London Euston even. Next train in to arrive is 350-266 and 350-253, working the 1737 London Northwestern Railway service from London Euston through to Crewe. Arriving 6 minutes late is 3221-121, working the 1733 cross-country service from Bournemouth through to Manchester Piccadilly. Next out for departure will be 390-114, departing 13 minutes late with the 1724 Avanti West Coast service from Preston through to London Euston. Arriving next into the station 7 minutes late is 3:50:120 with the 1740 London Northwestern Railway service from Birmingham New Street to Liverpool Lime Street. Next train out to depart is 3:50:258, departing 8 minutes late with the 1739 London Northwestern Railway service from Liverpool Lime Street to Birmingham New Street. Taken by surprise on the fast line is 3:90:006, working 1 Sierra 82 for Avanti West Coast from London Euston through to Glasgow Central. Next arriving into the station 5 minutes late is 3:90:107, working the 1747 Avanti West Coast service from London Euston through to Glasgow Central. Another mail unit now running 5 minutes late is 3:25:015 and 3:25:014, working 1 Mike 55 from Shieldwheel Mail Terminal through to Daventry. Next train to arrive at the station is 3:90:045, arriving 6 minutes late with the 1750 Avanti West Coast service from London Euston through to Manchester Piccadilly. Next making their way through the station is 90:016 and 90:014, working 4M87 from Felixstowe North through to Ditton O'Connor. Creeping out from behind the Pendolino is 3:90:130, working 1 Mike 15 from Glasgow Central through to London Euston. Next passing through on the fast line will be 3:90:138, running 6 minutes early with the 1 Foxtrot 30 for Avanti West Coast from London Euston through to Liverpool Lime Street. And arriving on the near side will be 221127, working the 1803 cross-country service from Bristol Temple Mead through to Manchester Piccadilly. Next train out to depart will be 221123, working the 1800 cross-country service from Manchester Piccadilly through to Bristol Temple Meads. And the final train of the session will be 350-263, working the 1809 London Northwestern Railway service from Liverpool Lime Street to Birmingham New Street.
The next train to arrive at platform 5 will be the 1811 London Northwestern Railway service to Liverpool Lime Street. For your crew, Winsford, Hartford.
Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.